today I'm working with this wig from Asteria hair, and honestly I'm just so in love with this wig. I love how big it is, I love the curl pattern. So this is their 5x5 HD lace closure wig. The wig came pre-plucked, it came pre-bleached, and honestly the hairline on this wig is everything. It comes with a clean hairline, which is why I decided to not do any baby hairs with this, because I really wanted you guys to take in the pre-plucked hairline. It looks so good, definitely very beginner friendly. And this is the curly hair texture. It's a 200% density and it's a 26-inch wig. Honestly love this wig. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I installed and defined the curls, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace, and I'm just cutting the lace in a zigzag motion. Honestly guys, I'm so impressed with the hairline on this wig. This is a 5x5 lace closure wig, like I said, and I don't even need to use any hairspray, any glue to glue this down. It fits really snug on my head. I really do not need to glue it down. It comes with an adjustable elastic strap on the inside of the wig, and it comes with adjustable elastic band as well. So this is 100% glueless, but I am going to go ahead and use my bed hair spray today to melt the lace in. I really don't need to do this, so you don't have to glue this wig down. Honestly, I just want to melt the lace in as much as I can, so I'm going to use my bed hair spray for this.
'Cause I just don't know, something in your eyes, the way you stare at me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You misbehaving, you must not know me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down, better, making me lose my mind, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare at me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and define the curls. I'm just gonna use some water and some leave-in conditioner. So this is the curly hair texture and it's a 200% density. The length I have is 26 and it's a 5x5 closure wig. And you guys can see I'm working with a lot of hair. Like, this hair is really full. So if you're wondering what density you should get, I think 200% is just perfect.
Yellow, it hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something but you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many. No one knew you like I do. Wonder why you want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night, telling me lies. Maybe stop telling me lies. You did prey on my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you're innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you up, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare at me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight. got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, yeah. Can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. You like I wonder why you want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night, telling me lies. Baby, stop telling me lies. You depend on my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of me.
Okay guys, so the hair still feels a bit damp, but I'm gonna go ahead and take off the melt band, do my makeup, and then come back and show you guys the finished look. This is the finished look. Honestly, I love this hair. Like, I just have to say I love the hair. I do feel like maybe my makeup might be a bit too heavy for this hair, but I just had to do some content, so yeah. But aside from that guys, like, tell me, what do you guys think of this wig? So like I said, this wig is from Asteria hair, and this is the curly hair texture. It's a 200% density, so it is a lot of hair. The hair is very full, and it's a 26" as well. 5x5 lace closure guys. I'm so happy with the fact that it's a closure wig. This is a very quick and easy install, definitely very beginner friendly, and also perfect for summer. You don't have to sit down and worry about gluing down your wig. Aside from that, the hair itself is very fluffy. It's so soft, like honestly so soft. Yeah, I don't really have anything bad to say about this wig. I love the hair. And when it comes to the hairline as well guys, just take in the pre-plucked hairline. The wig came like this, so I didn't need to go into customize or repluck or anything like that. So yeah guys, you guys let me know what you think of this hair texture of this wig in the comment section below. I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description box below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.